It is a common notion that blockchain is a great technology. It is new, it is disruptive, it is, they say, a game changer. In spite of enjoying such a fantastic reputation, the technology still faces several issues for it to flourish. These problems include scalability, high energy costs, privacy, and security. Thus, it is no wonder that Amazon and the Ethereum Foundation are willing to fix these problems. To accelerate the matter, they have established a bounty of $. To get it, the hopefuls need to solve the following equation. The problem, given 1024-bit input x, compute the verifiable delay function h equals x circumflex, 2 circumflex t, mod n as fast as possible. T equals 2 circumflex 30 n equals card. As you can see, the equation concerns the verifiable delay function, DDD. For the uninitiated, DDFs are relatively new and low-level building blocks in cryptography. They are used for proof-of-stake type of systems and have a number of advantages. Amazon describes the D as difficulty some amount of sequential computation, or delay element, that can produce a stream of random numbers that are very hard to stop. Some consider this delay to be advantageous, particularly because it can kind of confuse malicious actors and thus prevent hacks. And yet TDFs are still suffering from, among other things, scalability. To make it mainstream, argue experts like Simon Peffers, a former Intel engineer veteran chip designer, the community needs well-designed hardware in combination with smart algorithms was the key. He adds, hardware acceleration can improve the performance and cost of these algorithms 10 or even 800-fold, enabling them to be deployed and used on a day-to-day basis. But what if there is already a solution of such kinds? Indeed, blockchain is. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.